high price.
Yep, guys.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
We just come from the gym. Gym.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, we are tired. After some time, eh? Hey, it's been a long time.
Yeah, guys. Eh?
Yeah, we just want to greet you guys.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go freshen up and maybe have breakfast, dinner, or something like that.
Lunch.
Yeah.
See you when we go in there.
Yeah, we still have to see
the restaurant,
the place, the restaurants, and the other things.
Yeah,
that was the gym that we're coming from.
Soccer field behind us.
Yeah. Okay.
See you.
Oh, yeah. Because on the washing, we take it and weigh them. So you wash and iron is 44 rand per kilo. They say you wash and fold is 40 rand per kilo.
Oh, it's no problem.
You wash and dump in the basket. You wash and dump in the basket.
So you wash in the place and dry.
Only dry, must be regular. And like iron.
Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, because I never see it in my food. It's wash and fold.
Oh.
Because I never see it.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Maybe it's cheaper, you know.
Yeah, I said, oh no. We said, because they're wash and dry and iron is 44 rand per kilo. Then wash and dry and fold is 40 rand. Then ironing only is 38 rand. You wash only. They're dumping, they will 8 rand. We are fun, it's going to 2 rand.
Yeah, you will wash and fold.
Most the food, the mouse house was iron. Even though I feel as iron, we are pregnant, but it's washing fold. Because keep us right, because we can't dry. Yeah, cheese I need.
You will ask at 10?
It will have past 8.
Past 8, alright. But on Monarch Sass.
Hello.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, well, guys, we just want to give you a quick update because we last saw you when we were going to a Jimini.
Yes.
Yeah, we just wanted to give you a quick update.
Yeah,
we went went out and we came back. We wanted to buy pizza because they have a pizza special, 2 regulars for 160.
Yeah.
So yeah, when we wanted to buy where we stay, they said no,
our neighbor.
They don't have a person that makes them, so we must go to the other place.
Our neighbor.
They also have the same special.
Yeah.
So we're going there now to buy the 2 regular pizzas.
Yeah. Special.
Takeaway, guys.
Yeah, takeaway.
So there are those places there like that where you can do that.
And we bought
a
rug at the back.
Yeah, at the back.
From where we said we're gonna buy it at the person who
parked the car on the road. Yeah. So the person that we spoke about. So we met him and we went to him and
we bought
we
the
really
rug.
like this rug, so we went for it.
Yeah, if you don't like it, guys, don't worry.
Yeah, we'll show you. We'll show you all in the house.
Yeah.
Just comment if you like it or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll show you
Yeah.
because we buy the pizza and then we
We're going straight to the house.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you can't handle reality. You can't understand it, trying to manage, repair the damage. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. You don't know how much longer you could walk around and wonder why it gotta be you. Tell me that it ain't true. What's happening to me? Can't nobody see you. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. Can't lie, thought I'd in time might lose my mind. Thought I'd lose it all like that. Thought I'd have a heart attack. Took my sanity, now give it back. Thought I'd lose it all like that. All like that. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it.
That's my price right there.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy, but I'm way too deep
drops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby.
Hello guys.
Hi guys.
It's that time to close the vlog and to update you what you are busy with. Drink up and down.
We went up and down.
But
You're hungry. No.
eating pizzas that we bought here. Yeah.
They're very nice guys.
They're very nice and
I
fresh.
think we bought them the other time.
The other time, yeah. And then this is the second one. The other one we bought our neighbor, the other one is from here.
Yeah, from here.
They're very nice.
They're
and
very
fresh.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah, but we went to
Yeah.
we went to DecoFurn. Most of the things that we liked was at DecoFurn. To be honest.
Most of the things were at the coffee, guys.
Yeah. But let us know. Let us know in the comment which one you like.
Our files are there on the comment below.
Yeah.
Let us know which one you like.
Yeah.
Since we went to the coffee.
Maybe you have a steak taste. Yeah. So yeah. What else?
I think that was
I
it.
think that was it.
When we went for laundry.
Yeah.
Friendly
Laundry.
stuff. They're so very friendly, guys. They even
Excellent.
gave us a discount.
Thank you guys. Yeah, they were so awesome. Yeah, if you're watching, thank you.
Yeah, guys, laundry.
Yeah.
If you are watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will not name the place.
Yeah.
You know us, we came. Thank you so much for your service.
Yeah, thank you. It was excellent. Yeah. What else? I think that's it. Yeah.
I think that was it.
Yeah, that's it, guys. So.
But we are just here to close the vlog properly.
Exactly.
That's the main one.
See you in the next video. What we do in the next video? I think it's a chill, more like a chill video
More like
now.
a chill.
Yeah, let's chill now.
We're just gonna show you the vibes around here.
Yeah.
The vibes, because they have. It's on a
bright day.
So Saturday mostly they have bright days. So we'll show you the bright days.
And then we chill.
Yeah.
I think
So
it's gonna
we
be
go
chill.
for the bright days. Then
Yeah.
they have at these places where we bought the pizzas. They have breakfast. It's more
Everything.
like
It's a restaurant. It's a
pub.
full restaurant.
It's more like a restaurant pub.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, I think we'll meet again on the next one.
Next one. Yes. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Don't skip the ads.
Don't skip the ads, guys.
Yeah.
And the pizzas. Very nice.
I also wanna eat. You busy eating and talking. I can't
They
talk.
are very nice, guys.
Yeah.
The pizzas compared to I will not say. But you know.
They're
nice.
perfect.
Just look at it.
The feeling, everything. Interesting.
Okay.
See you. Let's not talk too much. Bye.
I love